Here is a dining area. It's a very narrow space. So how should we do to here have a storage display function door for dining area? So we make two things. So beside here, we use a very narrow cabinet. So in the middle, we use this type of open shape to make here have display and also can be more open. So the depth of here is only 25. It's a very narrow, it's a very short drawer, but it still have the storage function. And here also. Each side we have glass cabinets. When you open, you can have a lot of wine display here. So you should say that this space, you can have more than 100 cups of wine here. So this area is door for here. So it looks nice and very convenient for this area. This area is near for kitchen. This cabinet door for this dining area. So from dining area, we move to living area for relaxing.